Hello, lovely and wonderful family. Welcome once again to my channel. Sahar Skincare is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome to my channel. And to my viewers too, God bless you for always watching my videos and liking my videos. God bless you. My subscribers, God richly bless you all, okay, for being with your girl. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make your own facial masks. Yes, this one will glow your skin. But before that, let me introduce you to my 5 times whitening soap. This 5 times whitening soap is a very good soap which contains serums and powders. It's very good. It whitens the skin. It will give you that flawless skin tone. 1 to 2 shade, 3 shade is assured. Guys, trust me. Yes, you can contact us and get yours, or let us train you to do your own 5 times whitening soap. Guys, let's dive into the video. Yes, this facial mask, I'll be using my turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is one of the keys here. Then I'll add in my lime. Yes, I'm going to add in the juice of the lime, the small ones. I'm adding half of my lime. And also, this is my rose water. I usually use rose water as my toner, but you can use any water of your choice, not only rose water. And this is my oat powder. Yes, I'll be adding 1 full tablespoon of my oat powder. One of the reasons why I love about oat powder is it calms the face, or it calms the body down. If you are having itching skin, you can incorporate oat powder to your production. That's the soaps. Yes, you can add in oat powder to clear it out. And also, I added in half tablespoon of my turmeric powder. Half tablespoon of my turmeric powder for glowing. You know, turmeric glows the skin, and also lime also lightens the skin. Lime, it contains acidic content, so it's very good for lightening on the skin. It's very good. It will lighten the skin. So I'm using the half. I have squeezed in the juice into the production. After squeezing in the half, I'm going to keep this one aside, the half aside. Yes, and also add in my rose water. The rose water is my toner. I normally use it as my toner, but you can add in any water of your choice. First thing first, I'll add in 1 tablespoon and I'll mix it and see if it can form a paste. But no, I have to add in 1 tablespoon again, making it 2 tablespoons of my rose water. Guys, please, yes. Then I'll mix it very well to form a paste. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Also, turn on notification bell. Please like, share, and comment. Guys, see how I am mixing my paste. Yes, you have to mix it very well for the oat, the turmeric, and also the lime to be incorporated very well before you can use it. Look at how our paste look like. Yes, right now I have mixed it very well. It is not take the same thing as it is not watery. Then I'll use it to cover my face. But before that, I'll just wet my face before I'll put these things inside because of the lime. So look at my face now. I've washed my face a little bit, and I'm going to apply this paste on my face. Yes, I'll apply it on my face in a circular mode. So look at how I am doing it. This paste is also serve as an exfoliator because of the oat inside and also the lime inside. It will exfoliate the face very well. And if you are having redness, oat will calm the redness down. Yes, guys, trust me, the oat, it will calm the redness down. So why don't you try it and bring me your testimony? It's one of the routines that you can also add to your skincare. Okay, yes, you can do it in the evening, but please make sure that this paste, you will do it and use it twice a week. If you are going to try it out, use it twice a week, only 2 times a week. Okay, guys, please don't use it more than a week. So right now we are waiting for the 10 to 15 minutes to reach so that we can wash it off. Yes, guys, look at how my face and my neck, I want to glow. I want to clear off skin rashes on my face. I was having a little bit pimples on my face, it was a little pimples on my face. So I want to clear it out before I can go to the program that I was about to go. So this one, someone was asking me some of my morning routine or some of my skincare routine. This is one of my skincare routines, so you can do it. Now the 10 minutes is up and we are going to wash it off. Look at my face. It look whitish, very nice, glowing. Yes guys, my camera is not giving me the exact of it. It's very nice guys, trust me. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, also turn the notification bell. Please like, share and comment. Remember, I love you. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Mwah.